We're north of the headquarters of Rock Hills Ranch, just checking cattle and looking at the landscape, trying to make some observations of what is occurring and what kind of changes are taking place. This is an area that we like to look at and monitor. As you can see, there are some trees growing out here in this pasture. In particular, we've got some elm trees and plum trees and chokecherries and even some wild currants. And so down here checking this morning, and I walked into this thicket here of chokecherries, and was happy to see that we do have some birds here. In this case, we've got some eastern kingbirds, and she's got a nest there with 4 of them. So they're another bird that we see out here, quite common. Of course, Mama's not too happy that we're here, but good place for them. Good habitat, cover, food supply right here with the chokecherries, and got the nest up high enough predators aren't a problem. Another story of the type of wildlife we have at Rock Hills Ranch.